Hi, Trish. Trish, don't laugh. Yung camera girl. Trish, like you're laughing. Trish, I would just like to wish you a happy birthday. Serious. I would just like to wish you a happy birthday. And I would like to thank God, not you, for God has given you to us to become our trainer. And I believe that you are a very good trainer because you train all the batch that we don't submit too much. Alright? And I just want to tell you that there can never be a great batch 53 without you. You're so very important to us. We love you so much. And even though at times we never tell you this, we want to to tell you that, hey, put it on my face. I want to tell you that we love you so much, alright? So, Trish, I wish you all the best and happiness in life. God bless. Happy birthday again. We love you. Bye.